CB AI.
Hey all, this is Cam. Thank you for watching another episode of CBAI. I'm thankful that you're joining us today. Today, what I'm going to be talking about is how to test out different styles of a song you've already created in Suno. This is going to be a two-part series, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can test out different styles of a song you've already created in Suno. I also want to give a big shout out to CBAI viewer at Fistral Nick for suggesting this video. If you love making music AI, come join our community and add that subscribe so we can all grow and learn how to use music AI better. And so, with that being said, without further ado, let's jump into it. So you'll see over here in my screen, I've got my workspace and some songs I've been doing this technique with. Everything I'm going to be showing you today is using the covers feature. So a real quick demo how to do that. Pick the song that you want to edit. So I've got my one down here. Go over to dot dot dot, go over to create, and then choose cover song. That is going to change your prompting area on the left over here. And there are several things to note. So number one is that you will be able to tell that you're in the cover feature by up here it will say cover beta, and then it will tell you the song that you are trying to change. So make sure when you are doing this that you have the song that you want to avoid wasting credits. Um, Also, something to note is that you can choose which version of Suno's AI model you want to do. So if maybe you wanted V4, you wanted that crisp, clear, modern sound, or maybe you wanted V3.5 for whatever reason, you could choose that. And then, so I've got my lyrics here. It will pull over your lyrics from your song, so that's nice if you have them. Down here, it will not give you any style, so it does not pull over your your previous style input. So this is good because you're going to be wanting to test it out in a new style. Primarily, this is where you're going to be doing it. You'd be putting in whatever you want, and I'll talk about that more in a moment. If you wanted, you could exclude any styles if you didn't want your song to have a certain characteristic. It's going to pull over the original name of your song and then also add in parentheses cover, which you could obviously change if you wanted. Maybe if you're doing lots of different versions, you would name it like the pop country cover or the R&B cover or whatever 70s rock genre cover, whatever. So you could do that. And then lastly, you can pick the workspace that you want to add it to if you're on a paid plan of Suno. There. Let's say you've created your first song, right? You've did your cover. After that, there are three topics I'm going to be talking about later in this video that I want to tell you right now. So number one is, let's say you wanted to try out these different styles. You would do your create, and then, so, whatever, I create my song, and so it's going to be creating that up here. And then maybe I want to change it to 90s EDM, R&B, whatever. So you could just go in and just keep creating covers and using new inputs on the original song. That's one method. The second method, I made up this terminology, but I'm calling it a cover chain. And I find pretty fun and interesting to experiment with is where you make a chain of covers where the process would be iterate, cover, iterate, cover, iterate, cover. So what that would mean is I would create my cover song. For example, I have my cover up here, and then I would go and listen to it, pick one I like, and then go in further and then use cover on top of that one. So you're like starting with your original song, covering it, then going into the covered song, doing it again. So let me show you what that would look like right here. Go into create cover song. So now you'll notice up at the top I have my new version of it and it'll say cover. So let's just pretend that I added this new prompt in here and then I did it again. Now it's actually going to show you cover cover in parentheses. So that's what I mean by cover chain. You can keep doing that. And I'm going to show you that more literally ones that I've already picked out in a moment. And then thirdly, the another thing you can try is you can actually test out different arrangements of your song as you're going through this process. So for example, down here, my original song, I start out with my verse, and I have a verse 2 and I have a chorus. If you can see that over on the right here, verse, verse 2, and chorus. But if you can see, I'll show you another song where I actually got the song to rearrange the order when I covered it, and I'll talk about that more in a moment. So those are the three things that you can do to test out the styles. Let's go in and actually check out what it would look like. So as I said down here, I've got my my bass song that I've created. This song is not a cover. We're gonna go for about a minute and a half of listening to this song. That is longer than normally how much I would demo of a song on this channel, but I feel that it will be helpful to get at least a verse, and chorus into our ears and our minds so that we can listen to the further examples to better get an idea for the comparisons and how these features work. So a couple things to note about this song is that I made it in version 3.5. The prompts for it were melodic metalcore mixed with synthwave, lots of reverb and cassette delay, synth keyboard leads, and then R&B singer. I also did please leave out harsh vocals, leave out scream vocals, and leave out operatic vocals, knowing that that's common in the metal genre, and I didn't want that for this song, so get those cut out. It did come out in a metalcore or metal genre style with synthy sounds. So let's give a minute and a half listen of that, because this is where we're going to do covers to try out different styles on this specific song today.
Just keep on walking. It's in the darkness and the fog that you gotta see it clear. It's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to get there, and it's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's about balance.
Okay, I think it's enough of that song. So what I did with this, the first method that I talked about earlier is you would go to dot dot dot, go to create, and then go to cover song. And as we just discussed, all of my information is here. Now, since I've already, just like my my cooking show, I've already got my cake baked here, so I'm going to show you that. I got an A and a B version. I'm going to show those to you. So my A version here, I kept the first prompt, the melodic metalcore mixed with synthwave, the same, and then what I tried to do is get the singer to sound more like a virtuoso male R&B singer instead. So I added virtuoso male R&B singer two times. I added male R&B singer, male R&B singer, and then I kept the reverb and cassette delay the same, and the synth keyboard leads, I kept that in there. But as you can see, I really tried to force it to make him more of an R&B singer. Now, neither of these versions I got kept it as metal. This is much more of an experimental process than you're going to type it in. It's going to give you exactly what you asked for. You'll also notice that over here you can tell it's a cover because it says cover of Perseverance, and then it's got the original picture. So listen to this one and see how different it is, and yet how much the same it is.
Just keep on walking. It's in the darkness and the fog that you gotta see it clear. It's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to get there, and it's about balance, about composure. It's It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's about perseverance, perseverance.
Okay, so you can see that one gave me a pop infused laid back track with a glitchy beat in there. I was not a huge fan of that, but it was all right. That glitchy beat was so glitchy it just kind of sounded a little bit broken, but I at least got to test out the style. So the second one I got here, my B version of it, was a interesting because it was a little bit more melancholic and it had a synth pop synthwave type of song. So instead of going for metalcore and R&B, it gave me much more of a synthwave sound. So let's listen to about 30 seconds of this one as well.
Just keep on walking. It's in the darkness and the fog that you gotta see it clear. It's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to get there, and it's about balance.
All right, so that was my B track, much higher voice, but still has the same, roughly the same melody and chord progression. So quite a bit, those are both quite a bit different than the original song. Now from there, I used my cool trick that I talked about, number two, which was to do the cover chain trick. As you can see over here, see how my cover, it says cover of Perseverance, but then it says R&B singer. So I actually covered one of these. Which one is it? The one with the tree to the left of the sun. This one. So this one, I actually, even though it's a cover already, I went in and covered it again. And then this is the prompts that I gave it. This one was pretty good. So a 70s Japanese city pop style I like, male vocalist, wall of sound, and funky. It really came out sounding like just a very classic retro type of sound to it. So let's give that a listen.
Just keep on walking. It's in the darkness and the fog that you gotta see it clear. It's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to get there, and it's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance.
All right, so that was my city pop 70s type sounding one. That was pretty awesome. And then what I did from there is I further did my cover chain trick, which I talked about as being number three. And let's pull up these. So the next style I went into was called jungle or drum and bass, which are EDM subgenres. EDM being electronic dance music. It's a very high, much faster and I guess you could say upbeat genre of music, which you'll hear in a moment. But it's also at the same time kind of atmospheric. Um, so as you can see, and I also noted this in my titles of the song. So we started with the metalcore, heavy metal type song. We went into R&B, trying to get it to go that direction. Then we covered it again as the city pop 70s style, and then from there I covered it again, as you can see by the pink colored one. That's my city pop one, into this jungle drum and bass type of music. And both of these turned out well. I like them both. Um, so the first one, I kept the structure the same. So as I mentioned earlier, this is method two. I'm still just only following method two. So I use the style pump liquid jungle drum and bass with city pop breaks, liquid jungle drum and bass with city pop breaks, etc. Muted trumpet leads, muted trumpet leads, muted trumpet leads. So I didn't really get the muted trumpets if I remember correctly, and I didn't quite get the city pop breaks, but still like the liquid jungle drum and bass was really good. So let's give this a listen.
Just keep on walking. It's It's in the darkness and the fog that you gotta see it clear. It's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to get there, time to get there. And it's about balance, about composure. It's about the end goal. Gotta stay grounded, gotta stay here. It's about perseverance, perseverance.
All right, so there's my version A of the drum and bass. Listen to the next one. Now, this one's slightly different because I did cover it over the Perseverance, the City Pop one, but I tried an experiment which is uh, method 3, which is actually this is a combination of method 2 and method 3. So method 3, I actually rearranged and did some modification of my tags. So instead of starting out with the verse, which is just keep on walking, I actually added a fade in. So I put fade in jungle drum and bass break, and then I also started it out with the chorus instead. And then I also added some additional tags like adding in instrumentals and things like that. So that turned out pretty awesome too. This is my favorite one. We'll go ahead and listen. This is the last one, I believe. So let's check it out.
It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance. It's about perseverance, perseverance. Just keep on walking. It's in the darkness and the fog that you gotta see it.
All right, so that was my final song. Very cool. It actually did change the order roughly the way I wanted, so I was really happy about that. And I sometimes you'll find that your song, you like the way the song goes, but the structure is not great. So this is another way that you can try to get Suno to rearrange the song. So that being said, just a quick recap. Those three methods would be to number one, use the covers feature on the base song that you've created. Number two is to use the cover chain and keep covering through your song to get to where you want it to be. And then number three is you can try rearranging the sections of your song with and changing the meta tags to influence in that way. These are a lot of different methods you could try to test out new styles of your song in Suno. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you gave me a like. Leave a comment below if you found this video helpful, if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, tell me as well. I'd love to grow and get better. Just tell me how I can improve my channel. And then also, any ideas that you have for future videos, please put them down in the comments below. I take those very seriously. I add them to my file, and my videos mostly are based on people giving me feedback at this point. So again, this is Cam with CBAI. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.